Hi, my name is John Lee. I'm a neurotologist down in Jupiter, Florida, and I've been asked to talk to you about the Envoy Esteem implant. When I first started doing this procedure, I definitely was a little bit skeptical, but I had seen some good results from my fellow surgeons, and now having done 40 of them, I can tell you that there is a definite great role in hearing restoration. Patients have done very well. People absolutely love the fact that they don't have to wear anything, they don't have to change any batteries. The batteries last 5 to 7 years, and then they're working on batteries that might last up to 9 or 10 years. So the technology is just amazing. The the hearing results have been very good. Some people noticed dramatic improvement of their hearing beyond what they were able to get with standard hearing aids. How does the Envoy Esteem work? The Envoy Esteem works by sounds coming in and being collected by your natural ear canal. That is one of the coolest things about the Envoy Esteem implant. It uses your natural ear canal and your natural drum to pick up the sounds instead of some synthetic tiny microphone that's hidden somewhere behind your ear. So we actually use the cupping of your ear from this part of your ear. It cups the sound, brings it in naturally, brings it right down the ear canal naturally, and then it vibrates your eardrum naturally. And what we do is we place a little sensor device in through the mastoid to pick up those sounds internally. And then the sounds are transferred into an electrical signal. It goes to the processor, and then it comes back out amplified to a device that drives the stapes harder than it would have had sound come through naturally. So it's just a technological wonder. It's really kind of cool how that works. I will tell you, the Envoy Esteem is probably one of the coolest operations we do. It's just got features of so many complex maneuvers, and it's like a delicate dance that comes together, and it's just kind of cool. So that's one of the reasons I like it so much. But that has nothing to, I mean, for you, it's really about the results, and the results are amazing. They're pretty cool. Success rate. So when we talk in terms of success rate, I want you to know that during the surgery we actually measure telemetry that tells us if the implant's going to work or not. In fact, we don't leave the operating room until we know that it's going to work. So 100% of our cases leave the operating room with good telemetry. Now, is it possible that something could go wrong? Yeah, but 100% of the people that go into the surgery that we implant come out of the surgery with good telemetry, because we won't leave without it. And indeed, in all the patients that we have done so far, their hearing tests show significant improvement of the actual amplification of the sound. So they are perceiving better sound. The satisfaction rate, on the other hand, it's a different measure. It has to do with your expectations, with what you do with this increased sound. So most people love it, and I'd say about 90% love it or like it. And certainly there's going to be some people who don't like change or expected more of the quality, and some of those people then aren't as happy. So I'd say there's a 90% satisfaction rate based on all the patients that we've done so far. Patients love the Esteem because it's no maintenance. Basically, you put it on and you forget. I mean, you have it installed, and then then you forget about it. You don't have to worry about it in the shower. You can skydive. You can live your life. And the other cool thing is that nobody knows you have a hearing aid. It's just all internal, implanted, and there's nothing to really worry about. So it's very private, intimate, whatever you want to call it, whenever you want it. This implant is actually the Cadillac or the Lamborghini of all the hearing options out there. It's really, it's expensive, and it's technologically much more advanced than everything else out there. So realize it's not for everyone, and it's for people who really care about the carefree lifestyle and the fact that they don't have to put on something. They can just jump into water whenever they want to. They can not have to worry about batteries. Nobody sees the fact that you have a hearing aid. You have high-level executives who don't want that impression of weakness because they're not wearing a hearing aid. So thank you for listening. I hope this helps in your journey to acquire better hearing, and I hope that this answers some of the questions you might have. I look forward to meeting you at some point and discussing with you in person all of these issues that you might have. So thanks for your attention. Take care. Bye.